Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the contact Facebook has on file, open settings, and verify the exact phone number or email. If the entry is wrong, update it now because messages go to the active address. Once updated, request a code immediately and watch the exact inbox or SMS thread. Make sure your device has Signal and notifications enabled, and disable Do Not Disturb so messages aren't suppressed. This first step fixes most delivery mismatches and narrows where to troubleshoot next. Next, you force a fresh delivery. Hit resend and wait at least 60 seconds between tries to avoid rate limits. If SMS still fails, switch to the code generator inside the Facebook app or set up an authenticator app that gives you offline codes instantly. Also inspect network conditions, disable VPNs, proxies, or roaming SIMs that can block SMS gateways. Once done, test a login. The alternative code path often bypasses carrier delays and stops reliance on problematic SMS routing. To finish, clear the Facebook app cache, ensure the app is updated, and reboot your phone so background blockers reset. This often restores notification flow. If codes still fail, use Trusted Contacts or Facebook's identity verification to regain access. These are slower but reliable. Make sure you note timestamps of resend attempts and SMS failures. If necessary, contact your mobile carrier to check SMS filtering and then escalate to Facebook support with exact times. Those details speed resolution when automated delivery won't work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.